Did butterfly locks on my hair. Let's get into it. So first I got the ombre burgundy and black passion twist hair, and we're going to be using our Jakada Butter to protect the hair shaft under the butterfly locks. Put the butter in my palms until it melts. Rub it all through my hair to fully saturate my hair shaft, ends, and edges. From here, I'm going to part my hair into different sections, and I'm going to braid them up. I made the plaits kind of big because this is my first time doing this style, and I wanted to kind of cut my time in half. Now, as you can see, I am using an edge control and wax to lay down the edges of my hair. I'm not advertising that, but get you a good edge control and wax to lay down the edges of your hair at the root. And now you see my hair has been braided into plaits. So right here, we're going to go ahead and add the passion twist hair to my hair. I'm going to open and spread the hair out a little bit, and then slice in the crochet hook to the root of my hair, add on the passion twist to the hook, pull the lever back, and pull it through my root. Then I'll stretch out the hair so it's open from both ends, and then I'll go ahead and take one end of the passion twist hair and start going around the root of my braid, going all the way down. Right here, I'm creating the distressed look, and I continue to spiral all the way down to pass my braid all the way to the length desired. Now, as I get to the desired length, I take the end of the hair and fold it in half and start wrapping the remaining of the hair upward. And I use a little bit more of edge control to seal the remaining hair going up the lock. This is so it will not unravel, and kind of secure it. And there is one of my locks. I wish I had put more distress in it, but this is my first time doing it, and I am finishing up. And voila, I love how this came out. I put a few hair accessories in there, and now I'm going to oil my scalp with our Jakada oil, which is coming soon. Listen, this was a great look, very quick and easy, and can't wait to try it again. Purchase Jakada Butter in bio or on TikTok shop, and subscribe to our YouTube channel.